If you want to learn how to beat the bank and stop wasting money on interest on your mortgage, watch this video to the very end. I'm going to show you how I just helped an investor today pay off his mortgage in less than 6 years. Not only are we paying off the home in less than 6 years, but it's going to save him over $600,000 worth of interest. This is the one strategy you need to understand if you want to pay your home off faster and stop wasting money on your mortgage. So here's our scenario. He's got a $699,000 home that he's going to buy in South Florida. The best interest rate that he found today was 6.875%. Now, this guy's got a really unique situation because he has about $300,000 that he wants to put down towards the mortgage. But what I'm going to have him do instead is put 25% down, which is a little over $100,000, and then we're going to use the difference of that amount to put towards the deposit towards our mortgage, so that way he has a bigger line of credit that he can utilize to buy and invest in real estate. So his net income right now is about $10,800 a month. So this $125,000, instead of putting this towards the initial mortgage as our down payment, we're just going to put that as a deposit into our HELOC. So again, we've got $10,000 going in. We use our HELOC as our checking account. It's going to cover all of our expenses, our bills, credit cards, utilities, whatever we got left. And this dude has almost $4,000 left over after he pays for all of his bills. So here's the 30-year fixed mortgage. Again, this was the best rate that he found. This is the best scenario that he was able to find with another lender. But this is how we're going to pay off that home a lot faster and stop paying mortgage debt back to the bank. That same $500,000 is going to get paid off in 69 months or 5.8 years, saving him a total of $610,000 in interest. And again, 6.875%. We're comparing this to the HELOC rate, which in our case today, we're looking at an average rate of about 8.3% on this HELOC. But the thing you guys have to remember that we are comparing this interest rate on this HELOC because interest gets calculated on a daily basis versus your amortized 30-year fixed mortgage here. And when we do that, we look at this as our effective interest rate, which would be right here, of 1.255%. That's the true cost of what he's paying on interest on this mortgage because he's only paying $100,000. So in phase one of this loan, we're paying off this debt as fast as we can. And in phase two is when we utilize the line of credit to go buy more real estate. So imagine if you had a $500,000 line of credit that you could continuously use to buy rental properties, take all of your rental income, sink it back into the HELOC, and use that over and over again. The fact that we're saving $610,000 in interest, that equates to about $8,800 a month in interest savings. This is how we beat the bank, and we can play the game better than them and start getting rich through real estate.